Welcome to Kakashi's Python Challenge. Today you'll face 10 Python questions. Some are easy, some are designed to trap beginners. For each question, I'll show you a piece of code or a Python concept along with 4 options. Take a few seconds to think before Naruto answers. Keep track of your score. At the end, we'll find out whether you're an Academy student, a Genin, a Chunin, or a Jonin of Python. Let's begin. A shinobi wrote this code. What appears on the screen?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
B52!
Correct. Both values are strings, not numbers. Python joins them together instead of adding them. Look carefully. Many beginners fall for this one.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
C40!
Correct. Python supports negative indexing. Index -1 always points to the last element of a sequence. What will this code print?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
B4!
Correct. Append adds a new element to the end of the list. The list now contains 4 elements. A developer wants the last element of a list. Which option is correct?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
B-nums -1!
Correct. A common mistake is using nums-len nums. Lists start at index 0, so the last valid position is actually len nums -1. What happens here?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
B01234!
Correct. Range 5 starts at 0 and stops before 5. The ending value is excluded. Which value will be stored in X?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
D2!
Correct. In Python, true behaves like the number 1 and false behaves like 0. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. This one is dangerous. What happens?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
C error!
Correct. The valid indexes are 0, 1, and 2. Index 3 does not exist, so Python raises an indelenser. Observe carefully.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A1, 2!
Incorrect. The answer is B. Both variables point to the same list in memory. Changing Y also changes X. Many beginners lose hours debugging this exact mistake. A function contains no return statement. What will it return?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
C none!
Correct. Every Python function returns something. If you don't explicitly return a value, Python returns none automatically. Final challenge. Only true Python shinobi survive this one.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A false!
Incorrect. The answer is B. Any non-empty string in Python evaluates to true. Even the text false is still a non-empty string. Only an empty string evaluates to false. Challenge complete. Count your score. 0-3 correct, Academy student. 4 and 6 correct Genin. 7-8 correct Chunin. 9-10 correct Jonin. Comment your score below. And remember, knowing Python syntax is easy.
These questions were harder than I expected.